What's going on, guys? Here I have the Apple Watch Series 6. It's not the newest Apple Watch, but it's still very popular and comes with a surprisingly sturdy build, a bright and vibrant OLED display to view your important information, and a powerful processor that can quickly and smoothly switch between apps or menus. But is it actually worth the hype and still something to consider, or is it just good marketing? I did an in-depth look to see who this product is for, how it works, how to get the best of the product, and how it compares to other popular smartwatch people might be considering. Well, for starters, the Series 6 has a sleek and square-ish design that's available in either 40mm or 44mm sizes depending on your wrist size. And you can get it in multiple unique colors to match your personal style. Despite its comfortable design that only weighs about 35 grams, it has a sturdy aluminum chassis that should be able to withstand frequent long-term use and features a solid 5 ATM water resistance certification for safe use when swimming or lounging by the pool. In addition, you can easily swap out the bands if you want to change up the watch's look for different occasions. It's also important to know that it comes with a stunning and responsive touchscreen display to view your important notifications and navigate the interface. It features a stunning OLED display that consistently produces a crisp image with legible, sharp text, near-perfect black levels, smooth graphics or animations, and enough brightness to remain visible in bright settings like direct sunlight. It also comes with some useful additional features, such as always-on functionality, which allows you to view important notifications or the current time at a glance. Even more, it has a physical crown on the side if you want to manually scroll through menus or jump between apps instead of using the touch-based controls. The battery life is on par with most other Apple models and can reliably deliver up to 18 hours of runtime on a single charge with normal use to get you through most of the day. But this is somewhat limited compared to other solid smartwatches in this range. I also like that it offers fast charging support and can fully charge in around 75 minutes, so you can quickly extend the runtime when needed. Even more, you can disable certain power-hungry features such as the always-on display, wireless connectivity, or outdoor tracking if you want to further extend the runtime. It's also important to note that while it isn't a dedicated fitness tracking smartwatch like some Fitbit alternatives, it offers an impressive range of health monitoring features to help you keep track of your well-being. It offers accurate tracking for basic fitness metrics such as your step count, distance traveled, or calories burned, along with an always-on altimeter to keep track of your elevation, several built-in sports modes to track your favorite activities, and occasional prompts to make sure you're staying active or moving around throughout the day. In addition, it comes with some more advanced features such as the SpO2 sensor to monitor your blood oxygen levels, an effective ECG app that provides irregular heart rhythm notifications, onboard GPS to track your outdoor workouts, built-in sleep tracking to give you a sleep score, and more. It doesn't come with some additional features like crash detection, which is found on the newer Apple Watch Series 8, but it still comes with some solid safety features, including fault detection and emergency SOS if you get lost. You should also know that it comes with an impressive range of built-in smart features to keep you connected. It runs Apple's user-friendly watchOS 7 interface and offers some useful modern features such as Apple Pay support for contactless payments, onboard Siri voice assistant support for hands-free control, and a range of new watch faces depending on your preference, and more. It offers excellent app support and provides access to the Apple Store's comprehensive library of third-party apps, and the integrated processing chip can quickly launch or switch between apps. In addition, it allows you to take calls or respond to incoming text messages directly from your wrist. And it offers 32 gigabytes of onboard storage for your apps or favorite media. The Apple Watch Series 6 isn't the newest Apple Watch on the market, but it's still a solid watch that comes with several useful smartwatch features to keep you connected and informed. With its solid build quality, user-friendly operating system with generous app support, and bright, vibrant OLED display, it's not difficult to see why it's such a popular and well-regarded model in the Apple ecosystem. Overall, I think the Apple Watch Series 6 is still a great choice if you want a quality smartwatch with good fitness tracking and lifestyle features. That's all for this video though, till next time.